Hello dear students, yes, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, this is the revision classes and we are going to learn about the articles. We already learned about the articles. You know article means what and which are the articles. So here A and the, these are the articles. Okay, so let's see here. So, in grammar, articles are there. In articles, they are again divided in two parts. Okay, there are two types of article. That is the indefinite article and definite article. So, here, a and, they can come in the or under the indefinite article, and here the is there, that is comes under the definite article. Okay, let's see what is article and all. Here see, an article is an adjective or it are like adjectives. Okay, articles modifies the noun. These articles what they do? They modifies the noun. See here, a and the, these are called articles. A and the, a and an are called indefinite article and the is called definite article. Okay, now you are clear. Let's see here. So here, the is used to refer to the specific or particular noun. So it is called as definite. Why? Because it is used to refer the specific or the particular noun. Okay. And here a and an is used to modify that particular here they are non-specific. Which are the not specific noun or not a particular noun. Okay. We are using a and an article before them. Okay. Next here. So here we use, you know that, noun. Okay. So noun, you know that. You have clear idea about the noun. What is noun? Okay. So here we use a and or the before the nouns that we want to introduce. Yes or no? And noun, what is the noun? See here, nouns are the names of people, places, animals or things. See here, people, place or anything. Yes, so called as noun. So these particular or specific noun, we are for that showing that we are using the article, and which are the not specific or not a particular noun, for that we are using a and an article. Let's see here a. Now use of a. Where to use? One by one we have to see. So a is used before the beginning with the consonant sound. Okay, these consonants are there. You know that mainly 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U, and remaining all are consonant. So for that, the a article is we are using a boy, a bird. Yes, one more example. Here again second, when to use again? Before a singular noun beginning. Okay, before a singular noun. If it is a singular noun like a book, a school, for that singular noun we are using a. Yes or no? A bag, a book, a school, a dog, or even you can say a bag. Next, even before the vowel letters which don't have vowel sound and which the don't have the vowel sound. Vowel letters are there, but they don't have the vowel sound. See here, a European. Okay, a European. It is E. E is actually what? Vowel, but what is the pronunciation? U. European. U. Why? U. E. U. European. A unit. A unicorn. For the union. For that we are using a article. Next here. Some words starts with the vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. Even some words or some nouns are there, they are starting with the vowel letter. Here U is vowel, U is vowel, O is vowel. But before that also we are using a. Why? Because these are not a vowel sound, they are consonant sound. Yes, a university, a uniform, a 1 rupees note. So for that we are using a. Okay, next here. Now here example are there. We use a before words that begin with the consonant sound and remaining all consonant, you know that. A girl, a clock, a lamp. For that we are using a article or a article. Now use of an article. Before a word beginning with a vowel, see here we are using an. So which one? The word which is beginning with the vowel. So here an idiot. I is what here? Vowel. Apple. At A. A is also vowel. So an apple, an orange, an umbrella. So for that we are using an. Next, even before a word beginning with the h but not sounded. H, okay, so h is there, but what the sound is there? It is a sound as a vowel, like C. Here an honor is here. H is there, but we can't pronounce like honor. We have to pronounce is honor. An R, an honest man. So A will come. Yes. So for that also we are using an. Got it? Yes. Next here. Now again few examples are there, and we are using with begin of the vowel. See, which are the vowel sound? See, A, E, I, O, U are the vowel. And orange, and umbrella, and I, because O, U and E, what are they? They are vowel. Okay. Next one. Now use of the. The is a definite article. Yes. So when we are using this the before the unique object, when there is a unique object, we are using the. Yes or no? The sun, the sky, the moon. Got it? Even before the names of the mountain, rivers, oceans, desert, etc. Why is here? Sun is unique thing. Even sky, moon, the earth, these are the unique things. Okay, unique. So for that we are using the article because definite. Here see, again even with the names of the river, different rivers are there, even oceans, mountain, desert, for that we are using the article. Example, the Gangas, the Sahara, the Pacific. Okay, next here, third one is before the name of the books, even if there is a holy book. Holy means you know that, holy book, Ramayana, then Bible, the Quran. So for that also we are using the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Okay, for that we are using the. Here again, even before the superlative degree. Okay, if before the superlative degree. Okay, there are 3 degrees, you know. Yes, comparative and superlative. Here, so the best. Okay, the best, for that even the tallest. So these are the superlative degrees words. So we are using before that also the. Next, even before the musical instruments. Yes, so musical instrument you know very well, the flute, the violin. So for that also we are using the. Next is here, before an adjective to denote a whole class. Whole class means whole class, a group of people, or that particular group of society, or particular group of what? Yes, here particular group of class, or you can say that class, a particular group of people. So here example, the old. So these 4-5 members, they are old. So the old, the rich, the poor. So it is a class. Okay, particular class is there. So for that also we are using the. Got it? Even here some examples are there. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. Only one. Sky is one or no? Yes. So even for sky we are using the. Even word, this word, whole word, the. Okay, so the word. Even the North Pole, particular region, the North Pole, South Pole. For that also we are using the. Even you know we are using the for what purpose? Yes, tell me. Yes, so the earth. Got it? For earth also we are using particular city, particular state. Okay, particular place. For that way so we are using the article. Got it? So here some examples are there. Even see here, again few words are there. So for that also we are using the article. Now see here. See here. Before the name of relations. Before the name of relations means in your relation, in your family, how many members are there? To showing the relation we are using what? The article. Father, then uncle, sister. Even before the names of the material. Material, it should be a gold, silver or diamond. So for that also we are using the article. Even see here, I already told you, before the proper noun. Yes, if there is any proper noun, for that also we are using the article. Like see a proper noun like lotus, like Chennai, like Priya. If there is any proper noun, okay, so for that also we are using the article. Next here see, before abstract noun. If there is any abstract noun, so we are using for them also. What we are using? The article. See, honesty, then truth, then wisdom. So these are the abstract noun. These are the qualities. Okay, the particular person have different qualities. So abstract noun. These are the abstract noun for we are using the article. Okay. Even before the language. So there are different language. Yes. So for that also we are using the article. See, like Tamil, okay, Hindi, English, okay, French, Germany. For that also we are using the article. Okay. Next, again one last one is there. See, the phrases. Okay, before the certain phrases like at noon, okay, by train, on foot. These are the phrases. So for that also we are using the article. Got it? So hope you all understood. So you know that there are two types of article. Yes, definite and indefinite article. So a and an comes under the indefinite article, and the is comes under definite article. Okay, so proper uses also we learn in today's class. Okay, so what you have to do while watching this video, at least five nouns you have to write, which are used as a by using a article, by using an article, and by using the article. So you have to write down five examples of each. Okay. So just practice it. These are the all revision classes. Already we completed this all, but just practice. Okay, just try it and send it. Whatever homework I am giving, just send it to me WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.